along the coast where many people associate the words ManEngine with the tragic day in 1919 when 31 men lost their lives at the collapse of the ManEngine. And so we thought long and hard and very carefully before naming our man the ManEngine. And we didn't do it lightly, we do it with respect, because we believe the words ManEngine are about invention, they're about innovation, they're about technological achievement, about industry, and about pure Cornish cussedness to get the job done. And that's what Cornish mining heritage is about. And so, I would ask that we all share just a moment's silence, not just remembering the 31 men who died at Lament, or the 19 men and a boy who died at Wheelholes even, but the many thousands of people who have lost their lives through Cornish mining. Not just about looking backwards and being nostalgic. Yes, the sheave wheels no longer spin and the pumps and stamps are done. But we believe there is light at the end of the tunnel, and that together, if we dig deep into our heritage, we can understand our present. And if we can understand our present, then we get to create our future. Edwin T. Matthew R. Matthews, William J. Holden, John Evan, Nicholas Hopkins Thomas, William John George, Tom Rowe, Matthew Newton, Thomas Saxon Osborne, Henry Andrews, William Waters, John T. and Gwyn, Henry Tribune, S.J. George, John Tonkin, George Eddy, Ben Hawking, Jazz Mather, William J. Murray, Nicholas Matthews, John Worm, John Ellis, William Henry Ellis, Edwin F. Pascoe, James H. Oates, Leonard